All right, so we are at Overland Expo East and it's pouring rain outside. It's really muddy. Going to be a lot of four-wheel drive getting out of here this weekend.
It'll be fun.
But we got a pretty epic 4Runner that we want to share with you guys. I think you've probably seen him on Instagram, General Overland. Introduce yourself, tell us who you are and where you're from.
Hey, Pete Ellis on Instagram is General Overland. Coming out of Raleigh myself, on the road a lot for work as it is. I've actually been out pretty much for the last week or so with a whole bunch of other stuff. So if we want to take a look inside the truck, you'll see what a real inside of the vehicle looks like. All right, so tires starting off with Cooper's STT Pros in a 37 by 12.5 wide. 17-inch rims, have Method's 106 bronze bead locks on there. I've been running Cooper tires for a while now. This is actually my third set. Been ridiculously happy, especially for everything that we have around here in the South. So it's a Total Chaos long travel setup with a 3.5 over configuration, so it makes it 7 inches wider on both sides. So basically what the long travel system means is it's 3.5 inches further out than stock. Their upper and lower control arms, this is the Race Series one, which actually changes the configuration and changes the position of the uniball mount to actually give a little extra clearance on the lower control arm as well. Radflow coilover shocks on there with compression adjusting dampers. Basically brand new to this truck as of Wednesday. McQueen fiberglass out of Southern California. This is their brand new 4-inch over fiberglass fender with snorkel compatibility. This was actually done kind of as an ask for me. They have a 2-inch wider fender flare with a snorkel compatible one, but for running the long travel setup with the additional tire coverage that was going to be needed, wanted to see what they could do, and they kind of knocked it out of the park on this one. So this is, as far as I know, the only set of 4-inch wide snorkel compatible fenders that is out there right now. Bumper we have on here from Proline. I actually went down there and had them do the install on the bumper. Great guys to work with. I will say I probably get more questions about this rack than pretty much anything else on the truck. Ecotech, they're out of Barquisimeto, Venezuela. So rear suspension on here, it itself is also a long travel setup. Right now have Dobinson springs on there. Those are their, I believe it's the 701 model. It's a variable rate spring. I think the heaviest one that they've got right now, simply because of all the stuff and bumpers and steel and everything like that that's on there. So it gives a good ride height. I want to say it's about 3 inches or so over stock, 2.5-ish. Upper and lower links obviously have been replaced as well. ResFab links up top, Dobinson links on the bottom. An adjustable panier rod from Total Chaos, which just kind of helps to even everything out with the addition of the lift.
All right, so what do we got back here?
So here at the back of the truck, this is also a Proline bumper. They also did a little bit of customizations on here. Asked them for a ladder and the ability to mount rotopacks on there, and again, they were able to convert on that. So once again, this has been used for the last week solid, so it is a disaster area right now.
That's the reality of what we do, man.
So I actually think they're here right now. Rego Fabrication have their storage panels bolted on both sides.
So what's next?
Car wash maybe?
Have you modified the engine or anything about like that?
No, engine is stock. I've said before, if there's anything that I add to, remove, take on, cut off, bolt on, whatever else to this truck, ultimately what makes it the Toyota is the engine.
Well, thanks for the tour of the truck, man. Really
much.
enjoyed it. Like what you're doing on
Appreciate
social media, and hope to see more of you.
All right, excellent.